Hello everyone, my name is Andy and I'm a ranger for the Dinosaur Tour Company. Welcome to the Lost Kingdom. Today is the opening day of our new expedition, the Splash Lagoon. Come on inside, we want to show you around, come on. As you move through the expedition dock, you will find many new dinosaurs that we've recently discovered here. For example, this ceratopsian, this is a Styracosaurus. But this is just one of many dinosaurs you'll find as you venture through these uncharted waters here in the Lost Kingdom. Exciting, isn't it? As you begin your adventure around the lagoon, our friendly Brachiosaurus will be so excited to meet you. We're still trying to think of a name for him, but we're very open to suggestions. Once you're aboard, keep your arms and legs inside the boat at all times. The dinosaurs here are still just getting used to people being around. One of them recently got into our lookout tower. So, are you ready to make a splash and brave the uncharted waters of the Lost Kingdom? Oh, excellent. Then come on in everyone, adventure awaits.